Literally, I was bone on bone. I had no cartilage left in my knees. My legs got to the point where I was severely bow-legged, and they just got very, very painful. And I talked to my wife, Ruth. I said, look, I've got to do something. This is not fun anymore. My initial reaction to a total customized knee, who wouldn't want that? I had both my knees done. I just didn't want to go through this twice. I am self-employed. I'm a veterinarian. I'm the only veterinarian in my office. That was a big factor, getting back to work as quick as possible. Actually, I've got one very good friend that had both his knees done probably about 7 or 8 years ago, and I just recently had a conversation with him comparing notes, and he actually went to a rehab hospital and was there for a couple of weeks. And mine was so fast that, I was home in 2 days and I was back to work in a week and a half. A lot of my clients at work have asked me, well, you lost weight? And I says, no, I just gained my height back. I'm actually the same weight as I have been. I just gained an inch and a half in height. And that's the thing that the knees have done for me. They've straightened my legs out immensely, and I can walk normally again. I'm able to do things that I had stopped being able to do. Just simply walking with my wife with the dogs. Now I can pretty much just walk as long as they walk, and that's made a big, big difference in my life. I'm a big landscaper in my yard. That's a big part of my life now, and I'm able to do that without any reservations whatsoever. The Conformis knees have totally changed my life.